Alright, so this here is my 6131 final project. It's a robot car with variable speed and variable direction control. So it can go forward and reverse, it can turn left and right, and it can brake. So we take a look at some of the circuitry involved. The whole thing is powered off the 5-volt supply from the kit. Here's a boost converter that converts the 5-volt supply into a fixed 12-volt supply. Here is a buck converter that converts that 12-volt supply into a variable 12-volt supply, which will power the motors. That voltage is controlled by this pressure sensor. So pressing the pressure sensor will increase the variable voltage, and that's meant to emulate the throttle on a real car. That variable voltage is fed to the top of 2 H bridges. So this is H bridge for the left motor, H bridge for right motor, and H bridge allows for forward and reverse control for each motor. Each H bridge is controlled by 2 IR2104s, control each side of the H bridge. We also have a PWM wave generator right here, and that will be fed to the IR2104. The way the car turns is by turning this potentiometer. So turn it right and the car turns right, turn it left and the car turns left. The way that works is this potentiometer sets the duty cycle for one of the motors, and the other motor is given the inverted duty cycle wave. And so basically turning the pot will change the power distribution between the motors, which will cause the car to turn. Here we have a button for forward and reverse. So when the button is pressed, the car will reverse. And basically what's happening there is one side of the H bridge will always be providing a path to ground, while the other side is being PWM'd. And this will basically switch which side that is. Finally, we have a button for brake. So when we press this button, the car will immediately stop. And basically, right there, both sides of the H bridge will be shorting the motor to ground. So basically 0 voltage across the motor, it will immediately stop. Okay, so now let's take a look at car in action.